Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Arni Purmatasari binti Sakaria. My metric number is 07 DKM19F1037. So today I will present Engineering Society Presentation 1. The title is Differentiate Management and Engineering. So firstly, I will talk about management. So what is management actually? So management is a set of activities including planning and making decisions, organizing, leading and control, directed at an organization's resource, humans, financial, physicals and information with the aim of achieving organizational goals in an efficient and effective manners. Then, what is engineering? So, engineering is one of the professions in which a knowledge of the mathematical and natural science gained by study, experience, and practice is applied with judgment to develop ways to utilize economically the materials and force of nature for the benefit of mankind. So, there are basic operation of managers. So actually, it have 5 basic managers of basic operations of managers. So the first one is setting objective. A manager must setting an objective to their team, and then the second one is the manager must organizing the team, and also the third a manager also must should motivating the team and devising system of measurement, and a manager also developing people. Okay, next we move to engineering activities. So same as a manager, engineering also have their own activities. So engineering, what actually engineerings do? So engineering is they develop something new, they design something, something that can solve our problems in our daily life. And engineering is evaluate, they modify things, they test the things that they have done, then they install, then they also maintain a wide variety of products and system. And engineering activities, they also recommend and specify materials and processes, service manufacturing and constructions. They also conduct failure analysis, provide consulting service, and teach engineering course in college and universities. So, in management, they have 3 layers of management. So, at the low level of management, they have actually a foreman, a supervisor, a section chief, that responsible for day-to-day supervisions and career planning for their team, as well as providing feedback their employees performance. So that was the low level management. So the middle management is chief engineering, also a division heads, for example, a divisions head of responsible for communicating the strategic goals developed by senior management down the line to front line managers. So that was the middle management. So the highest management, or we call it senior management, is actually a president, executive vice president. Senior management develops strategic plans and company-wide policy and make decisions about the direction of the organization at the highest level. So that was a senior management. So I already talked about engineer, I already talked about manager. So in brief, I would like to tell you guys a difference between managers and engineers. So engineer is a technology centered, whereas a manager is a people centered. So they have a difference. So engineer is technology centered, while manager is people centered. Then the second is engineers depends solely on his technical skills, whereas a manager depends on the skill of his team of people. So the difference is engineering depends on his own skill. Engineering depends on own skill, and managers depends on the team of depends on the skill of his team, because a managers is just develop people, they're organizing people, so there's a big difference of that. And the third one, an engineer concentrate on the task at hand, whereas a manager look at a task from the point of view of the value it adds and the interest of stakeholder. As a conclusion, here we can see that managers and engineering are different jobs in terms of their own intentions and employers. So engineers focus on the job at hand. While the focus of managers is on the team they are given to accomplish a task. So managers look at the budget, resource available to them, and the time constraints before they start to feel comfortable. So on the other hand, engineers are more daring and concentrate on the job at hand more than anything else. So engineers take decisions based upon their knowledge and skill, whereas decisions of managers are based on open many concerns such as capital, process, and his team, and so on. So an engineering performs individual tasks, whereas a manager is involved in planning, leading, controlling, and organizing.